hello guys, in this video we will discuss a lead code question, that is length of the last word. It means we have given a string which is containing the words as well as spaces. We need to return the length of the largest word in the string. Okay, so here you can see we have space present in between of hello and world. So we have the last word, that is world, so we will return the length of the world, that is 5. After that, we have given a different string which contains the spaces at starting as well as at end. But we need to return the length of the last word. It means we need to trim that space. After that, we will get a word, that is moon, and moon has a length of 4. Similarly for this one. Okay, so let's just try this example and I will tell you my approach. So this is the example we have. First of all, we have to make sure that we are trimming the spaces that are coming at starting and the end. After that, whatever the string we have remaining, we need to divide it in the array of words. Okay. Now what I need to do is I have to find the last word and I need to return the length of the last word. This is my strategy to go step by step. So what we will do for it, let's see the code and I will tell you step by step. So here what I will do is, whenever I need to do the operation in the initial string, now we use the operator like s equal to s dot trim. This will help me to do the operation in the initial string. Now if we have trimmed all the spaces from the starting and ending, okay, so now we have only these words. Now I need to store that in a array, so I will use string array of words, like words array of type string, in which I have the length like string words, and I will split whenever I will see any space, because any word does not contain space between them, so that's why it is needed. Whenever I see any space, I need to store it on the words array. Okay, now if I have the words array, I have to take the last word from it, last word equal to, that is the words array, and take the last element like last word. So words dot length minus 1. This will give me the last word and I will return the last word from it. So return the last word dot length. Okay, so in this way I'm going further. So here you can see it accepted and I will submit it. So you can see it just accepted. So this is my strategy. First of all, I have just trimmed the spaces from starting and last. Then I have used the words array, in which I am using the spaces, that is words array of string type will split whenever it will see any space. Then we need to find the last word which is having the last word having only the last word inside it by using words, and then words dot length minus 1. Then we will return the length of the last word that we are encountering. I hope आप लोग को समझ आया होगा. Thank you.